Hi guys, welcome again to Method with Pharm. There's a mistake that I've observed with people taking metformin for their diabetes. Well, I wouldn't blame them so much because what I'm about to share with you today is something that their prescribers are actually meant to educate them on before prescribing metformin for their diabetes. Often metformin is prescribed without regard to a long-term effect on the nerve cells. And why is this important? Well, that is why I've made today's video. Let us dive right in. Metformin is actually one of the most important anti-diabetic medication, but unfortunately over time it tends to prevent the absorption of vitamin B12 into your bloodstream. And why is vitamin B12 so important? Alright, listen up. Vitamin B12 helps to maintain myelin sheath, which ensures that signals and messages are transmitted all around your body without so much hazards. Think of your myelin sheath like a rubber coating around your electrical wire. Just like the rubber coating ensures that electricity flows without short-circuiting, myelin sheath wraps around your nerve cells and ensures that messages and signals are transmitted from your brain to the rest of your body quickly and clearly without interruption. Without this myelin sheath, signals are either slowed down or mixed up like a frayed bad connection. Deficiency of vitamin B12 can actually cause neuropathy, and this becomes a double tragedy because one of the long-term effects of diabetes is also neuropathy. So what exactly is neuropathy? Neuropathy is the dysfunction or damage to one or more of your nerve cells, and this can cause numbness, it can cause tingling sensation, it can cause muscle weakness and pain, especially on your feet or on your hands. So here's what you can do when you're taking metformin for your diabetes. Always check your blood level from time to time to be sure that it is optimal. And once you notice that your blood level of vitamin B12 has started dropping, please start taking vitamin B12 to supplement. Alright, we've come to the end of today's topic. Thank you for sticking around with me until this very moment. And once again, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.